Good morning everyone. In this video we are going to learn the topic substitution techniques of the subject information system security for BTech 6th students. So what are substitution techniques? The two basic building blocks of all the encryption techniques are substitution and transposition. A substitution technique is one in which the letter of plain text are replaced by other letters or by numbers or symbols. The substitution techniques have four techniques: Caesar, monoalphabetic, Playfair, Hill, and polyalphabetic cipher. Caesar cipher. In Caesar cipher, we replace each letter with another letter 3 places further down the alphabets. So here A is replaced by D, B is replaced by E, C is replaced by F. So in brute force, what will the person try? He will try all the 25 combinations, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, and so on up to 25, and one of them will be going to be the text. Mono-alphabetic cipher. The can 25 possible keys. Caesar cipher is far from secure. There are 26 mono-alphabetical characters. So in mono-alphabetic, we replace it by any one of the 25 possible keys. In Playfair cipher. Playfair cipher is, what we do is we create a table, and according to the table, we encrypt it. So these are the rules of Playfair cipher. Repeating plain text letter are the same pair filtering letter. Two plain text letter in same row of the matrix are replaced to the letter to the right and top the element column circulatory from the left. Then Hill cipher. Hill cipher is using this given formula. Polyalphabetic cipher, so that let's say in the text we have A at 5 places. So the first A can be replaced by some other text. The second A can be replaced by some other text. And the third A can be replaced by some other character. Thank you.